What are the different types of 8 balls and their respective prices?
Hey there, welcome to our video where we'll be diving into the world of 8 balls and exploring the different types available, along with their respective prices. Whether you're a billiards enthusiast or just curious about the variety out there, this video will provide you with valuable insights. So let's get started.
What are the different types of 8 balls?
When it comes to 8 balls, there are several variations to choose from. Each type offers its own unique features, designed to enhance your playing experience. Let's take a look at some of the most common types. Standard 8 ball. The standard 8 ball is the most widely recognized and commonly used version. It features the traditional design with alternating solid and striped balls, numbered from 1 to 15. These balls are typically 2.25 inches in diameter and made from high-quality materials like phenolic resin or polyester. Professional 8 ball. The professional 8 ball is similar to the standard version in terms of design and dimensions. However, these balls are often made from superior materials and undergo rigorous testing to meet the requirements of professional billiards tournaments. They are precision-engineered for optimal balance, weight distribution, and durability. LED Enhanced 8 ball. For those seeking a unique twist to their billiards experience, LED Enhanced 8 balls are a fantastic option. These balls feature built-in LED lights that illuminate upon impact, adding a visually stunning element to your game. They come in various color options and can be particularly captivating in dimly lit environments or during special events. Personalized 8 ball. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your pool game, personalized 8 balls are a great choice. These balls can be customized with your name, initials, or even a favorite design or logo. They make for excellent gifts and can add a sense of individuality and style to your gameplay.
What are the prices of different 8 balls?
Now that we've explored the various types of 8 balls, let's take a look at their respective prices. It's important to note that prices can vary depending on factors such as brand, quality, and customization options. The following price ranges are provided as general estimates. Standard 8 ball, typically priced between $10 and $30. Professional 8 ball. These high-quality balls usually range from $30 to $100 or more. LED Enhanced 8 ball. The price for LED Enhanced 8 balls can vary significantly based on the brand, quality of LEDs, and additional features. On average, they can be found in the range of $30 to $60. Personalized 8 ball. Customization options can affect the price of personalized 8 balls. Generally, they can be purchased for around $20 to $50, depending on the level of personalization and design complexity. It's worth noting that these prices are approximate and can vary depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions or discounts. And there you have it, the different types of 8 balls and their respective prices. Whether you prefer the classic standard version, crave the professional-grade precision, desire the mesmerizing LED enhanced experience, or want to add a personal touch to your game, there's an 8 ball out there for everyone. We hope this video has been informative and helped you gain a better understanding of the options available. Thank you for watching, and happy playing!